Hey guys, so welcome back to yet another video on Forex Academy. Today we are going to be looking into price action trading. Last week we had good trade setups which were called on our Telegram channel. So if you are not yet on our Telegram channel, do well to check the link in the description section and join the community. If you're meeting me for the very first time, my name is Emmanuel Undu and I'm the founder and CEO of Forex Academy. Do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the post notification bell icon so you don't get to miss our next video. Without further ado, let's go into the video. So once I get into the market, this is what I'm looking out for. Alright, as you can see here, last week I was expecting, I had this buy on GPUSD last week from this price point here. Okay, so how was I able to get this kind of movement on this level here? Now, if you've been following me over time, you see that I trade psychological level. So majorly, if price is leaving this psychological level, it's going to this next psychological level. You just watch how price just react to this level. Once it's leaving this level, it's going to this level. Once it's leaving this level, it's going to this level. Again, once it's leaving this level, it's going to this level. So any reason why price will not get to this level, you should be looking out for change of structure, change of character. Yeah, just like here also, you see price was supposed to drop to this level, but it didn't get to that level. Yeah, so but though before I'll look to continue selling here, I would like price to first of all touch it, like what it did here. You see, it touched it and never came back to this level. So it showed me that the buyers here are strong. You get. So first of all, what I'm interested in looking out for is this psychological level. The 100 level are for my buys, and then the 50 level are for my sell. So if I'm looking to buy, I'll buy from this level. Okay. Then if I'm looking to sell, I'll sell from this blue area here. Okay. And now I do those in confirmation with the trend. I don't just do it blindly. You won't see me sell from this kind of area. You won't see me sell from this kind of area, except my trend line, my moving average. Sorry, I use the 100 period moving average. Except my moving average price is below my moving average, then you can see me sell from here. Okay, I had a sell here, like I said, I had a sell here. I was expecting price to deliver to this next level here. You can see just my TP will be few pips, about 5 pips to the next level here, because something like this will likely happen. You can see it here. You can see it similar here. Just very few pips to this level, the market still reacting. So I don't want to be in a situation whereby I will be saying 5 pips to my TP and then the market. You can see from here the market reversed, okay, heavily, okay, and took me out strongly. You get. So to avoid this type of situation, I always protect my capital first. I'm always interested in protecting my capital before any other thing. Okay, so strong buys comes in from the 100 level, and then strong sell actually coming from the 50 level. You can see when the market was breaking out of this level here, strongly it pushed from this level, strong sell down to this level. So if I was actually active, like yesterday I was not active in the market because I was not interested in taking a trade. So if I was active in the market, this is what I will have. This is the way my setup will look like. And let me just quickly show you how I take my setup. I use my fib level from here to this level here. Okay, then around 61.8 is where I put my stop loss. Okay, my stop loss is around 61.8, which is about 32 pips. Yeah, and then my take profit will be this next psychological level here. Okay, so I do it 100 to 100. If it's leaving this blue level, it's going to this blue level. If it's leaving this red level, it's going to this red level. Okay, so that is just the way I do it, and it's relatively simple. Yeah, it's relatively simple. So if I see a trade that I can take from this level here, I should be looking to take my profit somewhere around here. Alpha. So this is the way the setup will look like. It's going to look like this from here. From here, I'll use my fib level from this high, from this blue level here, down to this level here, and then I can use buy stop or sell stop. Yeah, it's just pretty simple like that. So just fix SL, fix TP. So that's just the way it is, and I get 1 is to 3 risk to reward. Yeah, so this is it here. And now if you look here, I have a running trend line from previously. Okay, so I'll go to the 1 hour and then I'll show you where the trend line is running from. Okay, so I would like price to also connect to that trend line. You can see before the trend line, I have my TP before the trend line. So I don't want the case whereby my TP will be below and then you say, okay, trend line bounce, and then I was not able to get in. Okay, so this trend line was running from, is a higher time frame trend line. It's been running, I connected this trend line months ago. This is what I'm expecting here. You can see the market held this trend line over and over again. So I'm still expecting the market to also react to this trend line. You get, so once it's just 100 pips, and I'm just looking to catch 100 pips. Yeah, I can start it to get about 100 pips. So this is just it for my sell side scenario. So on my sell side scenario on GBPUSD, this is what I'm looking out for. Then for the buy side, I'll do the same thing. Okay, where I will start looking to get a buy will be from this level, like I said. So I'll connect my Fibonacci from here to somewhere around here. Then similar, just the same thing. Okay, buy stop here. Then I'm taking my profit above this high, just few pips above the high, and then my stop loss will be 61.8. Okay, sometimes I like putting it 70, but in this case I use 61.8 most of the time. So this is the way it's going to look like. So when the price is coming back, any reason that will make price react, like buyers push this price above, it's going to break this level. More buyers will come in and then take it to this level. So it's just as simple as that. Without much stress, you'll be able to catch good moves on the market. You get, my take profit level is always at this level here, the middle of this level here. So about 50 pips is where my first TP1 will be. Just like this trade here, I was able to secure profit at TP1 here. So when the market came back, I had already broken even. So I think I lose most few times compared to my wins. You understand? So the same thing here. If I was able to get a sell here, this is my target here. So if I'm able to get a sell out of this breakout, see it here, the same thing, the same pattern, the same strategy, 61.8 fib level, and then look to sell from this point, sell stop, buy stop. That's what I use. 61.8, where is it? It's about 31, 32 pips. You get, and then my take profit level is this level here. You can see it. Once you see the market is just in a good trend, you can see TP smashed. You understand? If I'm able to get a buy from this level, this is where my TP will be. Okay, I'm buying from here, I'm opting out here. Okay, if I see an opportunity here to buy again, I'll opt out here. Okay, that is just the way it is. You just do it in line with the trend. Sell here, opt out here. Okay, you sell, once you sell here, you opt out this next level. If you sell here, you opt out this next level. If you get another opportunity, just like the way I had it here, I'm able to see an opportunity to sell here, I'll opt out here. But if the market doesn't get to where I want to, another opportunity from here to buy to this level. Okay, that's just the way it's, trading has been relatively simple. Just for me to just set and forget here. Yeah? That's just what I do. Okay, from here I buy, I opt out here. You can see here I was able to get a buy. Similar thing after I got this reaction. Started my buy here, opt out here. But this market was in a bullish trend, so I was able to trail my stop along the line. Okay, I'm using the 4-hour time frame. Once the 4-hour candle close, SL to the low of the candle, SL to the low of the candle, SL to the low of the candle. So until this market react, and then this is where I'll be looking to close my positions. Okay, so that's just it on GPUSD. On GPUSD this week, I'm expecting more sales, but my moving average, this is the 100 period moving average. Let me show you the settings. This is the 100 period moving average. Okay, and then once price is above my 100 period moving average, I'm looking for more buys than sells. You get, let me just show you. I believe I can catch all, like basically all the move on the market. Yeah, just I'll be able to catch basically all the move on the market, except those ones that will be willing to take me out. Yeah, so that's just it. Just trading basically psychological levels is just what you need. Yeah, just trading psychological level is what you need. You don't need too much. All those order block and the rest. No, it's too much for me. Yeah, just trade this way. If you get a buy from here, if you get to see reactions here, from here, opt out here. If you get another buy from here, opt out here. Another buy from here, you opt out here. You get, once price is not able to reach this next level, you know that there's potential reaction. You can see here, I was able to mark out this area here because I was seeing price action react. Okay, once I get a break from this level here, this is where I start looking to start selling from this area here. This is my sell zone. The 50s are my sell zone, and then the 100s are my buy zone. Okay, so the 100, which is just this 1.2700, they are my buy zones, and then 1.2750 are my sell zones. Okay, 1.2750, they are my sell zones. So that's just the way it is. If I get a sell from here, I'm looking to opt out here, but this market was in a range here, so I will likely lose some profit. Okay, but if I'm able to get a buy from here, I'll opt out here, which is about 100 pips. Okay, so that is it on GBUSD. GBUSD this week, I'm more, because of this candle formation here, I won't really take account of this last candle here. Okay, why? Because there's still volume here. So I'll be looking for more buys. Why? Because the market has touched into this moving average here, which is the 100 daily moving average. You can see it here. So from here, I'll be expecting price to do what? Push. And then from here, I'll get a buy stop that will take me to this next level here. Just as simple as that. Then if I see the market is interested in pushing further up, I can get another buy stop from here, and then I'll opt here. Then from here, I'll opt out here. Okay, so that's just the way it is. This is the way the setup will look like. And from here, opt out here. SL somewhere around here. Okay, so my TP will be from here to here. Then if I get another opportunity from here, I'll ride it to this point here. Okay, just as simple as that. This starts 2 pips. Just as simple as that. 1 is to 3, 1 is to 3, always. You get, just this is the way my setup will look like. Okay, if I get a buy from here, opt out here, get a buy from here, opt out here, get a buy from here, opt out here, I'm able to catch basically all the moves on the market. Okay, so that is it for GPUSD. Then we'll go to GBJPY. Let's see, I don't know if you understand what I just said. Yeah, so that's it. Then GPJPY is similar. Let's see what the weekly has. Let's see what the weekly time frame is saying. Okay, we had strong massive rejection to the upside on the weekly time frame, but regardless, this rejection is so much that the market will still have to feel at least 50% of the rejection. So let's go to the daily time frame and then see where we'll be interested in selling to first before we buy. Okay, so price rejected strongly out of this level. My first anticipation is price to come back to about 50%, which will be somewhere around here. Okay, price should come back reacting to these areas of previous support here, support here, support here. So price will likely dip into this level before. So this is what I'm expecting. Where is that shit? So this is what I'm expecting here. So this is something like this. I'm expecting it to dip into this level, even further down here, and then before continuing to the upside. Okay, because I'm still bullish on GBPJPY. So I'm still bullish. I could react to this zero level here, which will push the market to the upside. Okay, but if I see confirmation to sell, because price is way distant from my moving average. So this is where my moving average is, and this is where price is. Okay, currently. So most of the times I use my moving average as a check to see, because most of the time price always want to come back, retest moving average, and then push further up. You get, so I use moving average just to gauge the validity of my trend. Okay, so the trend is a healthy trend. You can see price is away from the moving average. It's not close to the moving average. It's far from the moving average. So it shows me that the trend is healthy. Yeah, I can still see a breakout from this level. If I get a breakout from this level, let me go to the 4-hour time frame. If I get a breakout, most of the times I just trade just breakout, and it's just simple and effective. Yeah, so this is what I said I'm looking out for on the 4 hour time frame. So let me connect my trend line from this point. Yeah, from here I will be connecting my trend line this way. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for. The market can still react to this trend line here. let me let me change this to the line chart so that I can see the exact coordinates. You get on the candlestick chart you can get some fake out, but on the line chart you see the exact coordinates. So this is what I'm looking out for here. So this is what I'm looking out for. I just have to make it very effective. Yeah, so this is it. And then I'll switch over back to the candlestick. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for. Price can likely also do this, tap into this level just small and then drop all the way down. Okay, so this is also an expectation. Okay, if we can get to see something like this, I would like to take it down to this level or to a level lower than that. Okay, but still on still moving average is crossing to the upside. Okay, so we are still the bullish momentum is so strong. Okay, it's not just going to die down that easily, but breaking this trend line this way, uh, I've not really seen price do something like this and then break it and then push further. It's not as it's not possible, but it's going to be more difficult. Okay, because this momentum is so much. Sellers will just have to come in to mitigate some price points somewhere around here. Okay, so sellers can come in, push price down, and then continue pushing up. Okay, so that is it for GPJPY. If I get a break above this level, I'll buy from here to this level here. This is about 100 pips. If I go down to the 15-minute time frame, I'll be able to refine my edge more. So this is what I'm looking out for. The same thing, 32 pips, uh, then 100 pips take profit level. Okay, so for a sell, I'm looking to sell from somewhere around here. Okay, so inside this range from here to here, I'm doing nothing. Okay, so once price breaks below this area here, retest of this psychological level, then I'm in for a sell, which will push price to this level here. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for on GPJPY, and just as simple as this. And just like this, this market is so these buyers are so much, so sellers just have to come in at some point to see. This is for other block traders. This is another block here, and most of the time all these other block must just form. It should just be on my psychological level. If it's not on my cycle, like this level here, it's not valid to me. Why? Because it didn't form on my psychological level. So this is, if I'm trading this other block here, so this is what I will look to do. Take it to this level and then push it further out. Okay, that's just it. I use other blocks. So I use so many um methods for trading. Trading is not just, it's dynamic, yeah. So you just have to react to certain things. So from this level, this is my area of interest. Here also is an area of interest here. Why? Because it's a psychological level. So all these things, like I said, should form on my psychological level. If it's not on my psychological level like this, I'm not interested. Okay, so that's just the simple trick to all this. Yeah, so GPJPY, I'm looking to sell to somewhere around here. Okay, but most times the price always want to come back to just this level here. We're testing this previous high. Okay, so but here also, if I get a buy from here, that's also not a problem. Okay, so but majorly I'm expecting a sell first. Market open, I'm expecting a sell first to mitigate most of all these prices. Yes, to balance them up, and then before we push to the upside. Okay, then on AUD USD, let's see, it bought to an extent. Like I was able to get about 100 pips on AUD USD last week, and then sold back massively. Okay, so let's see what we have here. All right, so from here, all these areas, this was the buy I was in. I was in the buy from news. Yeah, I was able to get the news from midnight around 2 o'clock. I was able to get this buy to this level. Then I closed. Then the market started reacting. Okay, so here, so from here, from this price point, like I said, if I'm looking for a sell, my confluence for a sell is price has to be moving average first. It has to be below the moving average first. Then this is my pivot points, daily pivot points. Price has to be below my pivot points, and also price has to be leaving a psychological level, which is the 50 psychological level. So you can see here 50 seller zone, 100 buyer zone. So it's always reminding me what to do and what not to do. So from this price point, I'll connect my fib, sell from here, and then my stop loss somewhere around here, and then my take profit level will be this 50 level here. So you can see it's really interesting. I don't know, but it's really interesting trading this way. You get to be able to get major moves. Okay, so this week if I get is like this is a close, but because of it's part of the market close, I won't really take it that serious. So if I see price close below here, I'll be looking to sell from here, and then I'll be exiting at this level here. So this is what I'll be looking to do once the market opens. This is where my take profit will be around the 50 level, just about 5 pips to the level, somewhere around here. And then my SL will be about 32 pips. Okay, so this is what I'm looking out for this week on GPJPY. Then for the buy side scenario, because I can't just stick to my sales alone, buy will always come in at some point. So for the buy side scenario, this is what I'm looking out for. This level first, always to this level first, about five pips close. Then here I just have about 32 pips, similar to what I have for the sell side. Okay, so this is what I have here. Just as simple as this. Once I get the break out of this level, definitely my moving average would have crossed over, then my pivot point 2 will be below. Okay, so it's going to give me more confluence to do what, hold my buys to this level, just as simple as that. Okay, so on AUD I will be selling from here to this level here, which is 0.6550. I'll be entering at 0.6650, and then I'll be looking to take profit at 0.6550. Then my stop loss will be at 0.6682. Okay, then for the buy side scenario, I will be looking to buy from 0.6700, my losses at 0.6666, and then my take profit will be at 0.6800. Okay, so that's just it on AUD. Let's just see for gold quickly. All right, so gold was trying to create bullishness, okay, but the bullish momentum was not as strong as the bearish momentum. So let's just connect our trend line from this bottom here and then connect it to this top here. Okay, then I'll have to do more confirmations on the line chart to make it more relevant. Okay, so this is what I'll be having. So when price come back here for a buy, I like price to come here, tap into this level, reacting to this level here of support, and then I'll push price up. But this is where I'll be interested in adding my position here. So this is what I'll have, similar to always what I have. All my trades are similar, they look identical. All my trades are similar, all of them. All my trade setup are similar. So this is what I have here. Then my stop loss will be about 32 pips. This is what I have on the buy side. Buy stop at 1960, take profits at 1980, then secure partials at 19. No, this is 200 pips. This is 1970. So partial profit at 1965, full profit at 1970. Okay, which will also be reacting to this level here. Okay, which was this previous low breakout retest, and then you can then see yourself. Okay, this is for the buy side scenario, and then for the sell side scenario, I will be having my sell from here 1950 1955. Then my stop loss will be around 1959, and then my take profit will be here, which will be this low here. Okay, which will be this low area here. So price can also react from here and continue to buy, but I doubt if my moving average crosses over, I will definitely see a stronger sell from here, which will also push the market down to this level, which will be an area for potential buy. So this is where I'm interested in buying if I want to buy this market to somewhere around here back. Okay, so if I get a buy from here, I'll take it to this level, which also serves as this previous low and this previous low here. Okay, so that is just it. Trading simple price action, follow the price, do what price is doing. Don't just go against it here. Don't just go against price. Okay, so here we have a chart pattern. Let me confirm my closure. Okay, so it's valid. Confirming my closure because I'm on the line chart gives me more confluence. Yeah, because definitely if price touches this, as long as it's the line chart, price must touch this level if it wants to react. Must touch this level. But if it's the candlestick, the wicks, yeah, price may not want to get to those wick area. Yeah, but for the closure, relatively stronger than wick. And then let's see. So on gold, this is my setup on gold here. On gold, I'm looking for a sell off from this level, which is 1955. I'll sell to 1945, and then for a buy side, I will buy from 1960, and then I'll look to take profit at 1970. 100 pips margin in between, 30 pips risk. Okay, 32 pips as the case may be. That's just it on this week market insight analysis. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the post notification bell icon so you don't get to miss my next video. Peace out.